What's up, guys? So here we have a 2015 Mustang GT 5.0 with the Roush Stage 1 supercharger kit installed. And one thing you may find out about this kit is once you install it, you get tremendous power. This car is an absolute animal. It is a blast to drive. The only thing it was lacking was any sound whatsoever from the supercharger. There is no Whine stock. I was so disappointed when I got it on. Very happy with the power and everything, don't get me wrong. But when you go to a boosted vehicle, the main thing, the coolest part about that is the noises that they make. It is completely different from any stock vehicle. So with that being said, have the Roush Stage 1 on here. No supercharger whine whatsoever. I ended up going with the Foster Stage 4 supercharged sound tube mod kit. Foster was kind enough to contact me directly after I sent him a couple emails on which application I should get, the Stage 1, 2, or 3. I went with the 4 because he said as loud as it can go, and there's also some applications that you can do to make it quieter. So I went with the Stage 4, and let me tell you, it is a whole different car now. I mean, I'm just kind of cruising it around right now, so there's no real, not getting into boost or anything. There's no too much vacuum noise or anything, but as you can see, I mean, I'm in third gear, 2,500 RPMs. I barely lay into it, and I'm getting whined already with the Stage 4. And let me tell you, this thing screams. Let's do a pull real quick. This car feels faster. Now we have the power. Now you have the sound to put towards that power. And let me tell you, it is the coolest thing I could possibly get for this car. The quality of the part, I mean, it looks like factory tubing. The installation isn't really tough at all. If you have any mechanic incline on vehicles, if you ever worked on your car, it is not a hard install at all. I'm very pleased with it. I say go with the Stage 4. You can always make it quieter. And yeah, I couldn't be happier with it, guys. I know there's not too many videos reviewing this sound tube mod. Sorry it's poor quality with my phone, but if you can hear this thing in person, it is a beast. The whine is incredible. It makes all the right noises. I honestly couldn't be happier with the quality and just overall sound that it gets in the cabin. It's just incredible. I mean, this is 2,000 RPMs. I'm in 5th gear going 40 miles an hour. Barely tap the gas. And I mean, I'm whining. You got the downshifts as well. I mean, it just sounds incredible. So thank you, Foster. I really appreciate it. Hopefully this video helps you guys out. I know there's not too much on the internet, so maybe this video will help you. Let me know what you guys think. Definitely recommend this to anybody with looking for that noise and the supercharger whine. I mean, it is an absolute blast.